Happy New Year, everyone. Been a couple, 3 weeks here since I've been in here. Here's the 3 failed attempts on trying to get extensions for the for my drill bit. I've been having just to put it on the regular thing here to hold it. So I ordered another one in today. It came in. So I'm hoping that this one will work so we can get back to doing what we were doing. All right, put this up. All right. Well, Lord have mercy. Look what we got. Well, they say the third time's a charm, but in my case, the 4th time is. So let me get this on here. I got some drilling out to do inside here still, but I gotta drill small at first. So I shall bring you all back. I'm happy now that I got this thing in finally. I'll be keeping these other ones because they do fit the different sizes that I have over there. So they're not really a wasted buying them, but it wasn't something that I was planning on buying right now. Anywho, let me go ahead and get this going here because I know part 1 and 2 is out, and I need to get this 3rd one rocking and rolling here. All right, I'll talk to y'all here in a bit. All right, folks, what I did is I went ahead and I got my tailstock up here. I put a 1¼ inch drill bit on the end. I'm gonna bring it down to where I need it at. I gotta go in about 4.5 inches, and then I'll keep swapping them out until I get to the right one, get it all the way in there. And then after that, I'm gonna clean up this area here because I want to have it kind of angle in more. The top's gonna shrink a little bit because I think the top part here, the cut part, yeah, it's too big. It looks like a bird bath. But yeah, let's see where she's going. Overall, a couple of weeks that she's been up here on the lathe drying out, waiting on these forstner bit extensions. For the most part, I got a couple of cracks going in on the bottom part here. I put some C8 glue on them. I'll sand them out, and when I get working back to the outside body, because I got to scrape everything anyways, it should be fine. So without further ado, I've been waiting for this, so let's go ahead and get this thing drilled up. Right there. Let me pull that all out and see what the measurements is. I gotta come right down. I gotta come all the way down to, whoops, sorry. All the way down to right here where the gears get in there. So, now I know my starting point, or my ending point, I should say. Let's see. That bad boy back up here. Finish up. My depth. Alright, so I'm right there. That gives me about a 1/2 inch bottom. That's good. Alright, let's take this one off, next one on. Alright, I got the 1 5/8 on there. She's in there ready to start hollowing that out, so let's see what we got going here. Right.
Used to see the whole world in technicolor, vivid brights. Now it's just a silhouette against these long and lonely nights. Every corner of the city holds a ghost of you and me.
We got very good left though.
Funny how the silence screams the loudest in in a crowded room, trapped inside this echo chamber, waiting for the coming doom, chasing shadows in the rain.
Damn.
Calling out your name in vain. This heart
Alright, let me find out why this thing's not holding it.
a symphony of pain.
Shouldn't be an issue with this thing staying on here.
Every single memories, a shard of glass inside my soul. Just trying to feel anything to make myself feel whole.
It's not going in so fast.
On the pavement, confronting all
Alright, why aren't you staying on there like...
promises and all the wasted years.
Alright, looks like I gotta turn around and buy a couple of these damn drill chuck things or whatever. So, chuck drill set. So, because for some reason it don't like, could be because they're old, I've had them for a bit. It could be just me, it could be the bits.
A shard of glass inside my soul. Just trying to feel anything to make
Wouldn't doubt it if it was the bits.
Maybe we were never meant to make it past the fall. Maybe all the writing was already on the wall.
Alright, let's start working the outside here some. Okay, so while we're waiting on that drill chuck to come in, let me go ahead and keep finalizing this outside here. I think it's ready for that. My new trusty here. Back to scraping. Not like that. You go down on it. Alright, sorry.
empty space, a fading tune. In the silence I can see.
That if we turn around now.
I wore your sweater just today. Still smells of you.
How the hell you far off, dude?
Try to throw the memories out, but my heart is filled with doubt. This echo in the room is all I have left.
You through? No, you didn't.
Just an empty space, a fading tomb. In the silence, I'm consumed.
Well, you see it.
Maybe time will
Apparently, one too many cracks. So,
right now. I can't
all those days waiting on my stuff coming in, I guess it laid out there too long. Say peekaboo. Might be able to salvage this. Might get another block, little piece on it, and see what I can do. But for right now, yeah, see, I'm dead.